Oh, good morning. I'm Rachel, your curiosity coach. Good morning, Lisa. My sister told me I should be expecting your arrival.
Where is he?
Hi, I'm Lluvia Almanza. I'm based out of New York City, and I'm currently unrepresented. He's such a stubborn kid. I get so mad at him. Like, say he doesn't want to do something. Like, say he doesn't want to get in his wheelchair, he'll arch and squirm, and he's not supposed to have hardly any muscle control, and I'm 5 times his size, but if he doesn't want to get in that chair, I can't get him in that damn chair, and I'm just like, this isn't funny, mister, and he's just laughing. He loves fish, of course. He loves our superintendent's dog, Trisha. I bet he misses seeing her. He loves extremely cold things. I think he just likes the feel of extreme sensory. He likes touching snow and ice. He likes seeing his breath in the winter. If I can get him in his chair, one thing he loves for me to do is just run up and down the street as fast as I can, and people are looking at me like I'm crazy, like, is that safe? Is that something you should be doing? But he just grins and grins. He's almost 3. I don't know if he's going to make it out of this surgery. I don't know what to wish for anymore. You and I were so angered with the same. Oh, hateful hands to tear such loving words, injurious wasps to feed on such sweet honey and kill the bees that yield it with your stings. I'll kiss each several paper for amends. Here is writ love-wounded Proteus. Oh, poor wounded name, my bosom as thy bed shall lodge thee till thy wounds be thoroughly healed. And thus I search it with a sovereign kiss. But once or twice was Proteus written down. Be calm, good wind. Blow not a word away till I have found each letter in the letter, except mine own name, that some whirlwind bear into a ragged, fearful, hanging rock, and throw it thence into the raging sea. And here in one line is his name twice writ. Poor, forlorn Proteus, passionate Proteus, to the sweet Julia. That I'll tear away. And yet I will not. Sits so prettily he couples it next to his complaining names. Thus I will fold thee one onto another. Now kiss, embrace, content, do what you will. Hi, I'm Lluvia Almanza. I'm 5 feet 3 inches, and I'm reading for Upline. Their extra absorbent tampons hardly seems worth arresting me for.
Funny. I usually get mine at the grocery store.
Do you have a favorite brand?
Maybe.
Well, the guy you freaked out in the pickup truck is the father of a Marine, and she has a favorite brand too. I was on my way to the post office when he called and asked me to add this to her care package.
You stopped just for that?
I do whatever it takes. The least I can do is give our troops what they need.
Last time I checked, our troops want gear that works.
What are these?
The vests you've been sending, courtesy of this man. We have proof that faulty vests have come from your organization. Been buying shoddy armor at a discount.
No.
And pocketing the profit?
No. I started this organization because my father and his father and my great-grandfather before them all served. I did this to honor them for their sacrifice.
What about Sergeant Lynn's sacrifice? Upon bullet impact, the ceramic plate shattered and entered his lower back.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Good.
I didn't know they were faulty. He told me they were authentic.
Corey Ruxin?
Yes. I didn't ask questions to save money. I wanted to send them more.
Where were you yesterday morning?
I was at the expo all day, taking orders and donations. You can check the credit card transactions. I'm the only employee we have.
We're going to need all your shipping records, names, unit numbers, everything.
April! Brittany! Did you find them?
No. Did Brittany answer her phone?
Go straight to voicemail, just like April's.